here's how to get another free booth in Please Donate Roblox. So leave your Please Donate game, search for Lindon right here, press enter. You should get Lindon's library of games. Open up this game right here, walk around until you see a switch like so, and make sure you click on it if this dude disappears. Okay, so just go above and click on this switch. As you can see, a new world will pop up. So right here we just gotta find it. It's right here, I can see it. So simply go in. It should load you up to a different world, like we said. You want to go to this place now. Usually it should be other people doing it as well. So click on it. Click on teleport. And now, after we're taken to this land, we'll just confirm to make sure that we have the booth in Please Donate. Okay, so we just need an empty stall. We're gonna claim this one. So now if we press C and if we click on the cogwheel and just scroll, as you can see, we have this stall as well, the Lindon stall. So yeah, thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.